Hello, I'm Rashi Goyal and I'm legal intern at Lexis & Company. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe and healthy. So in today's video, I'll be talking about compulsory licensing in COVID-19. So first, let's discuss what is compulsory licensing. Compulsory licenses are permissions that are given to third party by the Controller General of the Patent to make, use or sell a product or use a process that has been patented, to make certain product without the need or the authorization of the owner of the patent. There are various categories which needs to be fulfilled for the compulsory license to be granted, and those are laid down under section 84 and 92 of the Indian Patent Act 1970. Like the grounds for the grant of patent of the compulsory licensing, factors which are need to be considered by the Controller General while deciding for the grant of compulsory licensing, etc. Compulsory licensing in case of national emergency, public health crisis or extreme urgency is a weapon in the hands of government to supply its citizens with the generic versions of patented drugs. Government may do this either through domestic production or through imports. Section 92 of the Indian Patent Act 1970 empowers the central government on its satisfaction to make a clear declaration in the official gazette. After such declaration, the Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademarks may grant a license to the applicants who are willing and who can manufacture the said drug. The controller has the authority to decide the terms and conditions for such grant. And such a grant would be cost effective and for the public and advantageous for the patentee in the form of license fee. Also, if the patented drugs cost thousands of rupees, they can make its generic version at a fraction. Compulsory licensing allows the production of affordable drugs and increases its availability and its supply. In a national public health emergency where hundreds and thousands of lives are being lost every minute, critical and expensive drugs like remdesivir, which is very expensive and short in supply, should be licensed to increase its production and improve its affordability. Now, let's not presume that compulsory licenses would snatch the rightful due of the big pharma. It would not. Big pharma would get a reasonable advantage in the form of license fee from its patent rights. However, it would prevent big pharma from making bumper profits in a public health emergency situation where people are dying from the want of essential drugs and vaccines. It would not allow the big pharma to milk profit at the cost of the lives of the poor and needy. Such licenses need not to be granted for a long period of time. A time-limited grant of say 1 or 2 years should be made. This would increase the production and help the nation to stockpile critical drugs and vaccines. A time-limited or production quantity limited license would help us tide over this crisis and save thousands of lives. Compulsory licensing is neither novel nor radical, but it is a prudent in this scenario. Since 1994, scores of such licenses have been increased across the globe. India granted its first compulsory license in 2011 in the case of drug Nexavar, which is used for the treatment of liver cancer. This brought down its price from about Rs 2 lakh per monthly dose to Rs 8,000 per monthly dose. The Nexavar compulsory license was granted because of not working of the patent, that is, not manufacturing in India to the required extent. In present situation where the world is fighting with pandemic, many foreign countries have also resorted to compulsory licensing. In March 2020, Israel issued a compulsory license to import generic version of Retnovir. It is a drug which is used for treating HIV. The Israel Ministry of Health had realized that this drug could be possible treatment for COVID-19. The interesting part is that this was not done because of the high price of the drug, but is done in order to increase its availability. Also, Canada, a wealthy nation, amended its Patent Act in March 2020 to allow quick issue of compulsory licenses. The amendment allowed it to swiftly issue a compulsory license and negotiate a remuneration at a later stage. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.